Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup simple recipe, easy method. Start by heating olive oil in a pot. Sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves garlic until soft. Add 2 cans crushed tomatoes and 3 cups vegetable broth. Bring to a simmer for 15 minutes. Blend until smooth, season to taste, and finish with a splash of cream or a dairy alternative for a silky texture. Gather your ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth. You will need canned crushed tomatoes, vegetable or chicken broth, 1 onion, garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Optional items like cream, basil, or a pinch of sugar help balance acidity. Prepping everything first saves time and keeps the soup cooking steadily. This simple setup makes the whole method stress-free and reliable for any cook. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control is great for tidying up crumbs and splatters while you cook, making cleanup effortless and freeing up time to enjoy your meal. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Keep the heat moderate and watch the pot while the soup simmers. Low, steady heat lets flavors meld without overcooking or burning. If the soup tastes too acidic, a small pinch of sugar or a pat of butter smooths it out. Use an immersion blender for convenience and strain if you prefer an ultra-smooth texture. These small steps elevate a simple recipe into a reliably delicious bowl every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.